What should I do with my 401k from a former employer? That's a question I hear a lot. Let's start with the most straightforward option. You can leave the money right where it is. If your balance is above a certain threshold, most plans allow you to keep your money right there in your former employer's 401k. The investments will continue to grow or decline based on the market and those investment choices. You just won't be contributing to that account anymore. Okay, but what if you've moved on to a new job and they offer a 401k? Well, consider rolling over the money into your new employer's plan. It helps consolidate your retirement assets all in one place, and you'll continue to enjoy tax-deferred growth. But if a new job isn't in the picture, or they don't offer a 401k, you can roll your funds over into an individual retirement account or an IRA. IRAs offer a broader range of investment choices, giving you more flexibility in choosing and managing those funds. And I'll mention a final option, though I would approach this one very cautiously, and that is cashing out, taking the money and running. Cashing out at the cage in a Vegas casino? Well, not such a big deal. Cashing out your 401k may involve potential penalties and taxes, especially if you're under 59 and a half years old. Remember, your 401k is a big part of your retirement strategy. Whether you're moving on to a new job or just evaluating your financial situation, you should consider the long-term implications of your choices. If you need more help or clarification, you could always consult with a financial professional. Your future self will thank you.